Lesson 3.7, Absolute Value Equations and Inequalities, page 209 to 210. Problem number 4, solving an absolute value inequality involving greater than or equal to. What are the solutions of the absolute value of 8n greater than or equal to 24? Graph the solutions. Okay, the rule with absolute value is that because anything in here could also be negative and still end up being positive as an answer, you're going to have two different possibilities. So what absolute value could give you 24? Well, either positive 24 or negative 24. So 8n without the absolute value, what's inside the absolute value could either be positive or negative. Okay, so we have the possibility that 8n is just greater than or equal to 24, but we also have the possibility that 8n is less than or equal to negative 24. And the reason it switches to less than is because we change this sign. So think of it as multiplying by negative. If you change this sign, you have to change this sign. So you have two equations to solve. The good news is they solve exactly the same way. Both sides divide by 8. So you end up with n less than or equal to negative 3. Or n greater than or equal to 3. Since they're both equal to, you get closed circles. Less than goes that way, and greater than goes to the right. Okay? Got it, number 4. What are the solutions of the absolute value of 2x plus 4 greater than or equal to 5? Graph the solutions. So, you always take the original, so 2x plus 4 greater than or equal to 5, but notice we're not writing the absolute value now. We're taking what's inside the absolute value and saying what it can be equal to. So 2x plus 4 can either be 5, or, and it came as a greater than or equal to, or it can be less than or equal to negative 5. Again, if you change this sign, you have to change this sign. So we're going to subtract 4 from both sides, same here, which leaves us with 2x greater than or equal to 1, divide by 2, and you get x is greater than 1/2, greater than or equal to. Here, again, you're subtracting 4, so that negative 5 and negative 4 is negative 9 this time. Divide by 2, you get negative 9/2. Notice you did not get the same answer. Okay, so be very careful when you change that sign. It's going to change your answer. So we get x less than or equal to negative 9/2. So again, they're both equal to signs, so we have closed circles at 1/2 and negative 9/2. Negative 9/2 is about 4.5. Less than negative 9/2 is going to go that way. Greater than 1/2 is going to go to the right.